guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Susie from Sea Salt and Stitches. Thanks so much for joining me again today. And thanks for all the love for my last nap time sewing video. I'm glad you all enjoyed it so much and hopefully you did find it helpful. I am here today with a very quick video. It's not on the usual Thursday. I'm trying to get it up before then because we are running out of time for what it's for. I am hosting a giveaway today, which is quite exciting. It does coincide with me hitting 5,000 subscribers and counting, which is brilliant. Thank you so much if you did subscribe recently. Thanks and welcome, and thank you if you've been subscribed from the very beginning. I love you so much. It just really means so much to me, so thank you to everyone. But the spring knitting and stitching show is coming up from the 1st to the 4th of March. I've got notes down here if you're wondering why I'm looking down. And I have been given 5 pairs of tickets to give away on my channel to the show. So it's not actually because I've reached 5,000, they just contacted me anyway. And I said, yeah, sure, no problem. I'm happy to offer it up to my subscribers. But it's just a very nice coincidence that I've reached the 5,000 marks and I've got 5 pairs of tickets to give away. So that's great. The only problem is, guys, I do realise that's obviously limited to people that can make it to London. So, you know, if you live outside of England, perhaps you won't be able to make it and are not interested in joining in the giveaway. I could completely understand. Maybe if I reach another big milestone, I'll definitely do an international giveaway for sure, definitely. But for now, it's just this. I was actually offered some tickets to go, which, what? That would have been amazing. I would love to go. It's just full of all sewing related stalls, craft stalls, and there's all those pattern companies there. I'm pretty sure Tilly and the Buttons is having a stall there, and lots of fabric shops are going to have stalls there. It would just be amazing. I just can't afford to fly over to London and, you know, pay for the overnight accommodation and stuff like that. One day I'll get to one of those shows. So, although I think there's one coming up in Dublin, so I'm tempted to go to that one. Anyway, we'll see. I'm waffling. That's not like me, is it? Right, so if you would like to be in a chance for winning one of the pairs of tickets, it's valid from, the tickets will be valid any day apart from the Saturday, the 3rd of March. It's not valid for that day, but it's valid for all the other days. All you have to do is be one of my subscribers to this channel and just leave a comment down below that you want to enter. That's it, basically. I do have another offer for you if you don't win the ticket, or you just want to go ahead and buy tickets and you haven't bought a ticket yet. I have a discount code for you as well. I will write it on the screen here. It'll be in the description box below, but it is Sea Salt 18, and that will get you £2 off advanced tickets, adult tickets. I think it's £1 off concession tickets and £2 off adult tickets. So that's pretty good. So just use that code and you'll get that discount. But maybe you want to hold off to see if you win first. So it's going to be a quick fire giveaway because obviously the 1st of March is coming up soon and I want to get the names off to the guys that will be sending your tickets out. You have until this Saturday to enter the giveaway. I will put the date as well along the screen here so that we know exactly, I can't think off the top of my head what day that is, but, or what date it is, but that's it there. And then I will contact the winners on probably the Sunday, and there you go. Aside from that, I don't really have any sewing to share with you. Today I haven't completed anything recently. I have been doing some sewing. I had a really fantastic Saturday just past there where I went to my very first sewing get together. It was amazing. I'm always so jealous when I see on Instagram and in blogs of people that are getting to meet up with other sewers, and just so jealous because they're just, I've been sewing for so long and I've never really met anyone that lives locally that I can chat to about sewing. So very recently, a group of Northern Irish sewers have started chatting to one another, and one of the lovely ladies had the initiative to try and organise a sewing day. So she did that and we had a blast. It was just brilliant, just spending the whole day chatting about sewing and sewing patterns and helping each other out with issues that we had, and then just so we all brought our own sewing machines, our own projects, and just worked away on little projects. So I was working on a sew over it pussy bow blouse that I was supposed to get done for Christmas, didn't get it done. So I was doing French seams, so everything takes so much longer when you're doing French seams, but I'm about halfway there. I've still got to put the sleeves in, hem it, and then that's it. Yeah, so I will definitely share it with you when it's done. So I'm just having a wee chat because there's nothing else to show you. I am wearing a top that no, I didn't make. The last time I wore this was in the Naptime Blackwood cardigan video. I could put a link there if you haven't seen that. But a lot of people were saying, I really like your jumper, did you make it? What pattern was it? Oh, I feel really bad. No, it was a present, and that person that gave it to me didn't make it. It's just from a shop. But it's a really simple shape and cowl neck. And I was thinking I might do a tutorial to show you how to make one, because I think I could make one of these with a slight adaptation to a free pattern that's out there. So it'd be very easy for everyone to recreate as well. So if you would be interested in that, please let me know in the comments as well. Anyway guys, that's it for now. I will say cheerio. Don't forget to subscribe, especially if you want to enter the competition, and give it a thumbs up if you like this kind of video, a giveaway. And I will see you all probably next week with, I don't even know what video I'm going to do. Not a clue. Surprise! See you guys. Bye!